Welcome to Calvince Learn Math. Let us look at this nice equation. Given that log of x is equal to 2.421 and log of y is equal to 3.143, evaluate log of x power 4 minus a quarter log of y power 3. So what we have is just log of x and log of y. So all we need to do is manipulate our expression so that we are able to substitute these values for log of x and log of y. So to begin with, we know that when you have the log of b power n, that is the same as n log of b. So we can write these logs in this form. So we have 4 log of x minus, we bring these 3 before the log, so that is 3 times 1 over 4 log of y. Now we can make the substitution. We have log of x and we have log of y. So we just substitute. We have 4 times log of x. Log of x is given as 2.421 minus 3 times 1 over 4, that is 3/4, into log of y. Log of y is given by 3.143. So 4 times 2.421 is the same as 9.684. Then minus 3/4 times 3.143, which is 2.35725. When you get the difference, this is going to be equal to 7.3265. In the next expression, we have 4 log y power half plus log of the cube root of x. So we're just going to use the laws of indices to express this radical. So remember, when you have the nth root of a number a, that is the same as that number raised to power 1 over n. So it means in this case, we're going to have the cube root of x is going to be the same as x power a third. So that is what we're going to use. So let us manipulate this. So we have 4 log of y power half plus log of x power 1 over 3. As that is according to this law of indices. So now all we have is log of x and log of y. So we have to manipulate these expressions so that we can be able to use log of x and log of y with their substitutions. So according to the laws of logarithms, when you have log of b power n, that is the same as n log of b. So we can write these expressions in that form. So the first one, we're going to pre-multiply by the power. So we have 1 over 2 times 4 log of y plus 1 over 3 log of x. So we can simplify these, and we also have the values of log of y and log of x. So we just substitute for those. So half times 4 is 2. So we have 2 log of y plus a third log of x. So let us do the substitutions. So 2 log of y, remember log of y is given by 3.143. Now plus a third log of x. Log of x is given by 2.421. So when you simplify this, 2 times this is equal to 6.286, and we add that to a third times 2.421. We're going to get that to be 0.807. 0.807. So when you add the 2, you're going to get 7.093.